Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I repaired my car key remote using 99.9% alcohol isopropyl. First of all, what you want to do is you want to expose as much of the key as possible, the remote. You remove that back cover, take the battery out, and now as you can see there's a circuit board here that's exposed. Ideally what you would want to do is split this in half and take the circuit board out. But in this particular case it's a Ford key remote, and I'm not able to do so. I don't think you can. So you take the front bit off where um, the buttons are. This particular key, all the buttons weren't working. The unlock button wasn't working. These two buttons were working, or are working. So what I did, remove the front, remove the buttons, and now that you have most of it exposed as much as possible, what you want to do is submerge this into some alcohol, 99.9%, into a jar. Submerge it in there, leave it for about 2 hours, and when it's in there as well, shake it around, give it a little stir, so that you can agitate the dirt and any debris or corrosion that's built up on the circuit board. Once you've done that, take it out, work the buttons, work it a few times once it's wet, and then it will dry and evaporate because it's alcohol. And put the keys, put it back together, and it should work. Now this is what I did. I said I would try this first before spending money and getting a brand new key. It would have cost me almost £300 to get a new key remote and get it programmed as well. So hopefully this can save you a few £100, and let us know how it helped you in the comments. Thanks for watching.